Hi, I'm Glenn of Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your laptop's storage. And for this video, we have an HP ZBook there, which has a M.2 disk as its primary storage. Now, in order for us to have access to its storage, we will need to open the back cover of this laptop. Now, you may have a different model of laptop, but all of them are almost using the same screw. So right now, we're going to use this precision screwdriver to remove the screws at the back. Now this item that I'm pointing at is the Samsung NVMe SSD. Now the size of this is only 250 gigabytes, so I want to upgrade this to a larger disk. Removing this SSD is easy. You'll just have to unscrew that part and it's gonna pop up and you can just pull it out. So this is the Samsung NVMe SSD. This runs slower than most newer NVMe storage, and that's why we're going to upgrade this into a better SSD. So as you can see from here, it uses the same M.2 connector, which is the M key socket. Now, there are other types of connectors for NVMe or NVMe SSD, and what we're seeing here on the screen is the M key type, which has the 5 pins. Another type is the B key, which has 6 pins, and mostly it's positioned to the left side of the connector, and the other one is the combination of the B and M key. This is more slower than the two. Now, if we're going to replace this, the NVMe NV2 M.2 newer SSD device, like this one on the screen, has a bigger capacity, like 2 terabyte, and the speed of this SSD or M.2 disk can reach up to 7,000 MB per second. But if we plug this M.2 to the current slot for this ZBook, which is PCIe 3.0, then the speed of this NV2 will also diminish, like it will be limited to the speed of the PCIe 3.0 instead of the speed of this NVMe under PCIe 4.0, which should reach up to 7,880 Mbps or 7,800 megabytes per second. But I won't care much about the speed as long as it will run at the speed of a regular NVMe M.2 or SSD type. But the main concern for me is the space of the storage, sometimes when I'm doing heavy editing on Photoshop or editing of videos, and I usually like run out of space easily if I use the 256 gigabyte. Now that we have the 2 terabyte, this will actually increase our storage capacity, not to mention the scratch disk that the Photoshop uses every time I do some graphic design. This will actually improve the performance of this laptop a lot. So anyway, we're going to close this now after we have installed the NV2 NVMe M.2 disk. And let's see after what will happen to this. For now, I'm going to just return the cover and screw the screws back on this laptop. Okay, now this laptop is running with our new storage and it is really fast. And we have also installed the OS for this. And right now what we're doing is we are copying all of my important data from the old NVMe SSD disk using this M.2 NVMe reader. And after this, everything should be okay. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.
Right Naxxes. Say the name, they know what the move.